Welcome to the last section in Chapter 3, Section 3.9. In this section, we're going to cover something that we kind of touched on in the very beginning of this chapter, and that is Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Differing from Bronsted acid and Bronsted bases, Lewis acids are all about electron donors and not about proton donors. So, in Lewis acid and Lewis base theory, what we have is that some molecule like this can attack another one. So you have, in doing that attack, you have the lone pair that is then donated to an atom, and the atom accepts that lone pair. And doing the accepting, in doing the accepting, then the atom becomes a Lewis acid. So we have a Lewis base because it donates electrons, and a Lewis acid which accepts electrons. And so the reaction then would have a product like this. Where now, because the boron has accepted electrons, it's now positive or negative, and the nitrogen is now positive. And that's basically all there is about Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Instead of talking about protons, now we're talking about electrons. And this has been section 3.9, the last section in chapter 3, and also the last section in in the first exams, in the material for the first exam.